Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is Rice Krispie Treats. I made it in two ways with different toppings, and this is no bake recipe, so it's going to be very quick and easy recipe. So stay tuned for the ingredients and let's check out how I made it. Alright, so I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You can also take salted if you like it a little sweet and salty. And I'm adding 2 full cups of marshmallows. I'm going to melt it in the microwave for about 1 to 2 minutes in regular intervals, stirring. Alright, so this is how it looks after microwaving it for 1 minute. Let's see if it's soft enough and melting enough. So let's mix this well and add about 2 cups of Rice Krispies. And give that a good mix. We might need some more Rice Krispies, so let's add half more cup. So let's give that a good mix. Get a baking tray and add parchment paper and just spray paint lightly so that it won't stick. So now we are making these as a square or cube size, but you can also make balls, any other shapes if you want. And the toppings, I'll be adding sweet, semi-sweet chocolate chips and these sprinkles. Alright, so try to make it to one level, just flatten it. Maybe you want to use your hands to make it to the same level. Just grease your hands before you pat them like this. Just easier this way. Alright, so as mentioned earlier, I have added the sprinkles and chocolate chip morsels. So just press it down just like that so that it sticks to the actual Rice Krispies. And if you want to add it in the mixture, you can do that, but I'm just adding as a topping this time. So let it sit for an hour or so. Maybe you can refrigerate it as well. So after 1 hour or so, we will just cut it and enjoy these Rice Krispie treats. All right, around 40-45 minutes are done and we are cutting it now. As I said, I'm making a cube size, bite size pieces, but you can either make balls, make it round, up to you. Alright, and our Rice Krispies are ready. There you go. Beautiful, isn't it? And here are my 2 ways of making Rice Krispies. No bake recipe, and it can be made in minutes. So I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home, and it can be a perfect party snack or treats for birthday parties or any dessert type recipe. So I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching this recipe, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next recipe. Till then, take care and goodbye.